Hey everyone, Carol Hickman with Chickstamper here. I wanted to come on and show you this really cute pillow gift that I made for everybody who placed an order with me this weekend. My last Friday's video, which would have been September 3rd of 2021, I made these really cute cards using the Strong of Heart stamp set. This stamp set is so cool because for every purchase, Stampin' Up! Will donate $3 to support heart health. So they have picked out a few different organizations throughout the globe, and $3 of every stamp set will be sent to those organizations. So I thought it was pretty cool. Pretty fun to support a good organization with your stamp purchases. And who doesn't love these adorable heart images and the sayings? So we made these cards last week. So everybody who has ordered over the past 4 or 5 days is receiving these card packs in the mail. I'm shipping them out today. They'll be able to add their own stamps and ink, but they'll have everything else they need to put these cards together. But I'm also sending them this adorable pillow gift. So it opens up, and I'm putting in some black dimensionals because it's fall, it's Halloween time, and these are a color for any dark colors, regal colors. Those black dimensionals work really well. You can see that I've used a little Velcro dot to attach it. And I've also used the Penguin Playmates designer series paper. And that is a celebration offering currently this month through September 30th. So you can see these pumpkins right in here. They're actually upside down. The one I'm gonna make today, hopefully I'll get the little critters right side up for you. It says, "You amaze me." So let me show you how I made it. I started with a 6x12 piece of designer paper. So here's the full 12x12. We're going to trim that. And we'll just go ahead with our trimmer and trim it right at 6 inches. This trimmer is really cool. When the little arm is put away, it gives you the exact measurement for 6 inches. So that's what we're doing today. Right at 6 inches. And we'll trim this right in half so I can make 2 little pillow gifts out of 1 piece of 12x12. Then I'm going to get my scoring tool, and I'm going to score all the way down with the short side up at the top. So I'm going to score at 1 inch and 5 inches. Then I'm going to turn my paper 90 degrees, and I'm going to do it this way. This is where I got confused last time, right? This because oh yes, okay. Then I'm going to score at 4 and 9. And maybe I did it wrong again. I can't remember. No, I think it'll be just right this time because I want the small edge to be right side up so that when you open up that flap, you'll be able to see this cute little polar bear on this cut. All right, so that's all the scoring that we need to do. Let me get my bone folder and we will burnish these fold lines. And we've got one down here on the bottom. This is that 4-inch one. And then the little one up there. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my paper snips, and we're just going to snip up a few places. So this short side, we actually don't even need this little flap because this will be the top section. So it might be easier to make this with paper that isn't directional, then you won't have to worry about that little top flap. Okay, so I'm just gonna angle cut this little area here and kind of come down a little bit and trim this maybe a little better than I did the first time. There we go. Okay, angle cut this one. And then I'm gonna trim up. I've got these 1-inch score lines here on the edges. And we'll just trim away a little bit on the bottom part of it. That's just gonna help it lay a little flatter when we close it up. There we go. Okay, so basically we have our little pouch. Now this would be really cute for a gift card for the holidays. You could actually put any flat treat, could be candy. I've chosen to send them out to my customers with those black dimensionals. Alrighty, so I'm gonna put some tear and tape right along these bottom flaps. This is the part that's gonna actually fold up and adhere for me. This is a pretty simple little gift, but we can decorate it. But again, it would make a really cute gift card holder for the holidays. Maybe we'll remake it in a few months. There we go. But I wanted to use it with the Strong of Heart theme using that stamp set. Okay, and there you go. We've got this adorable little gift here. Now I used the seasonal labels dies so that we could make our sentiment and put a heart on it and things like that. So I used this large die here, but I also used this large die and I cut it out of the bedazzling paper. Have you seen that? It's a celebration offering, so it's only good for a few more weeks till the end of September of 2021. But this paper is so fun. You can see it's so shiny. And we cut this, well, it could be a tag, but I'm using it behind a tag a little bit. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll stamp our heart from the Strong of Heart stamp set. And I'm using the kind of brushstroke heart with the soft seafoam ink. This is kind of a fun stamp set, pretty forgiving. It's not too picky how you place it on there. I wanted to say you amaze me. That's just kind of my way of saying thank you to all my customers who purchased this past few days. And I've just got a piece of just a 1/2-inch strip of basic white. Doesn't matter the length because I'm gonna trim it. But I'm going to use my Fresh Freesia ink. And it says, "You amaze me." And just a real quick and easy angle cut on this. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna put some dimensionals on the back and pop this up over our heart so it kind of stands out a little bit more. There we go. I've got some Fresh Freesia ribbon. This is the open weave ribbon that comes with all the different in colors this year, the new 5 in colors for 2021, and they'll last for 2 years till 2023. But this ribbon is just really, really pretty and easy to tie bows. So it's a fun one to use and just gives a little, pretty little color there. Alrighty, get my snips here and we'll trim this. I'm just going to put it on with a glue dot. Just trim a little bit more here. Okay. And let me just get a little adhesive. And we'll put it on there. Let's see. That's, my glue dots must be in the other room. We'll just do a little adhesive this way. There we go. Alrighty, then our cute little strip that we made with that Bedazzling specialty paper, I'm gonna trim it right in half because I wanna make it a little longer. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna put some adhesive on the back or some, let's pop it up. We'll use some dimensionals. That's what I'm thinking. And I wanted to put it right along the edge here on the bottom. So you can kind of spread it out as wide as you want. It probably would work even if you didn't trim it, but I just kind of wanted mine to stand out a little bit more and to stick out, I should say. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna put our sentiment piece right on top. And again, I'm gonna add more dimensionals, but I'm only gonna add dimensionals to the top part because I want it to adhere it with the Velcro dot down here on the bottom. So just on this top part. And then it will lay over the Bedazzling paper, and that's already lifted up a little bit. So that part will be good. And I'm just centering it best I can there. There we go. So that's pretty cute. Let's look. I've got these little 3/8 inch Velcro dots. I love them because they're clear. The bottom piece is clear. And so you just connect them up, and I just kind of just tear them right off. They're in a little line. See, so I just tore it off that little line of dots. And then I'll just put it on right here. Now I have both pieces connected, so when I close it, this bottom piece is gonna stick to the bottom. That's how I can get them lined up and know right where I'm at. There we go. So I've got my top piece on, and I've got my bottom piece on right there. Isn't that fun? Okay, so I wanted to use some of the champagne rhinestones because that's what we used for, there we go. That's what we used for our cards on Friday, and I like that the suite will match and coordinate. So let me get my take your pick tool, and we'll just put a little family of 3 champagne rhinestones right here. I'm just using one of each of the 3 sizes that come on this card in the package. All right, so we can add our dimensionals. I've got a new pack of black dimensionals. And in each pack, it's kind of it's a combination package. So you get 2 sheets of the regular size dimensionals and 2 sheets of the mini dimensionals. And again, the black dimensionals are just so great to use this time of year. So I'm gonna sneak in a pack, or a sheet, I should say, of large and a sheet of small. And then when I put these in the packets, so the card packets, this will be their little treat. I like to send a little something, something. There we go. All set. What do you guys think? I hope you like that today. It's a fun little treat, an easy little pillow gift, easy thank you gift. Great for coworkers, for nieces and nephews, if you want to send them a gift card or some cash. Again, it'd be really cute, made up in with Christmas decorations or Hanukkah or anything that you're celebrating, birthday. All right, you guys, I will be back next time with another fun video. I hope you guys enjoy this one and have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.